Good morning to all. My name is Rahul Kumar, and in this video we will study part 2 of Indian Constitution, that is citizenship. Citizenship is the status of a person recognized under law as being a legal member of a state or belonging to a nation. In India, Article 5 to 11 of Constitution deals with the concept of citizenship. The term citizenship is the enjoyment of full membership of any state in which a citizen has a civil and political rights. Article 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Commencement means beginning or starting. This article talks about citizenship for the people at the commencement of the Constitution, that is 26 January 1950. And under this, citizenship is the conferred upon those persons who have their domicile in Indian territory and who has born in Indian territory, and second, whose either parents are born in Indian territory, and third, who has ordinarily been a resident of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6. Citizenship of certain persons who have migrated from Pakistan. Any person who has migrated from Pakistan shall be a citizen of India at the time of commencement of the Constitution, if he or either of his parents of any of his grandparents was born in India as given in Government of India Act 1935, and in case of such a person has migrated before 19 July 1948 and has been ordinarily resident in India since migration, or in case such a person has migrated after 19 July 1948 and he has been registered as a citizen of India by an officer appointed in that behalf of Government of the Dominion of India on an application made by him thereof such an officer before the commencement of the Constitution, and it provides that no person shall be so registered unless he has been resident in India for at least 6 months immediately preceding the date of his application. Article 7. Citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. This article deals with the rights of people who had migrated to Pakistan after 1st March 1947 but subsequently returned to India. Article 8. Citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside India. This article deals with the rights of people of Indian origin residing outside India for purposes of employment, marriage and education. Article 9. People voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign country will not be citizen of India. Article 10. Any person who is considered as a citizen of India under any of the provision of this part shall continue to be citizen as will also be subject to any law made by the Parliament. Article 11. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. In this article, the Parliament has the right to make any provision concerning the acquisition and termination of citizenship and any other matter relating to the citizenship. Citizenship Act 1955. In India, citizenship can be acquired in multiple ways, like first, citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution, that means the beginning of Constitution, and second, citizenship by birth, and third, citizenship by descent. Descent means a person family origin. Okay. Fourth, citizenship by registration. Fifth, citizenship by naturalization, and sixth, by incorporation of territory by Government of India. People who were domiciled in India as of 26 November 1949 automatically became a citizen of India by virtue of citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. And the person who were born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 are Indian citizens. A person born after 1st July 1987 is an Indian citizen if either of the parents was citizen of India at the time of birth. And the person born after 3rd December 2004 are Indian citizen if both parents are Indian citizen or if one parent is an Indian citizen and other is not an illegal migrant at the time of birth. And citizenship by birth is not applicable for the children, foreign diplomatic personnel and those of enemy aliens. Termination of Indian citizenship. Termination of citizenship is possible in three ways. Renunciation. If any citizen of India who is also a national or another country renounces Indian citizenship through a declaration in prescribed manner, he ceases to be an Indian citizen. When a male person ceases to be a citizen of India, every minor child of his also ceases to be a citizen of India. However, such a child may within a 1 year after attaining a full age become an Indian citizen by making a declaration of his intention of resume Indian citizenship. Second, termination. Indian citizenship can be terminated if a citizen is voluntarily adopts the citizenship of any foreign country. Third, deprivation. The government of India can deprive a person of his citizenship in some cases, but this is not applicable for all citizens. It is applicable only in case of the citizen who have acquired the citizenship by registration, naturalization, or only by the Article 5, which is citizenship at commencement for a domicile in India and who has ordinarily been a resident of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding the commencement of the Constitution. How can I get Indian citizenship? Indian citizenship can be acquired by birth, descent, registration, and naturalization. The condition and procedure for acquisition of Indian citizenship as per the provision of Citizenship Act 1955. Citizenship of India by naturalization can be acquired by a foreigner, not illegal migrant, who is ordinarily resident in India for 12 years, and other qualifications as specified in 3rd schedule of the Act. What is the difference between PIO versus OCI? PIO means person of Indian origin and OCI means overseas citizen of India. What is PIO? It means a foreign citizen whose one of the parents, grandparents and great-grandparents was born and a permanent resident of India and who is a spouse of citizen of India or a PIO. Okay. Now what is OCI? A foreign national who was eligible to become a citizen of India as at 26 January 1950 or was a citizen of India on at any time after 26 January 1950 or belong to a territory that became a part of India after 15 August 1947 is eligible for registration as a overseas citizen of India. Minor child or such a person are also eligible for OCI. However, if the applicant had ever been a citizen of Pakistan or Bangladesh, he will not be eligible for OCI.